Homework Set 8 in ECE 403 is your ability to use ECE tools while validating your design. Now to get to Homework Set number 8, just go to Bison Academy 403 Senior Design. I was going to go a little bit earlier. On Homework Set number 3, what you should have is a OneNote document with your contact information, your project charter for your group. You should have a section in your OneNote document for yourself that has your work breakdown structure, what tasks that you specifically are going to be working on. Then your work on those tasks. Your work on task 1, task 2, task 3. While you're working on those tasks, invariably you'll be using some tools to validate that your design works. That's Homework Set number 8. Homework Set number 8 is, while completing your tasks, did you use 2 different tools to collect data to validate that your designs work? Now there's many tools you can use: oscilloscopes, multimeters, signal analyzers, spectrum analyzers, digital signal analyzers. As long as you're using 2 different tools to collect data and validate your design, you get the full 10 points on Homework Set number 8. So there's really nothing extra to do in Homework Set number 8. That's just previously, while you're working on your tasks, validate your designs using 2 different tools. And that's Homework Set number 8 for ECE 403 Design 2.